friends, today we'll be trying this glow in the dark glue. Well, it's from the Mr. DIY shop, and I just want to test it out whether it really glows in the dark. Yeah, and we're gonna actually see whether this glue is good because it's actually quite expensive. Yeah, so I hope it's actually work. Because as you can see, this is like kind of like a dark blue, but in reality, this is not a dark blue. It's actually a light blue, I can see, but I don't really know how to show it to you. You can see from top here. And see a little bit. It's not really like that dark. Yeah, but we're gonna see how it's gonna go. Okay. So we're just gonna get a bowl and we're just gonna use this freaking glow in the dark glue to make it. You can add shaving cream or anything like that, but I'm not gonna add it obviously. Okay. So this glue is pretty good because there is this sealed things for protection. So we're gonna peel it off in there. Okay, we're done peeling off this seal and when used. The things I really like this glue is because there's actually glitters in there. I don't have to add any other ones. Yeah, I can add more if I want. Yeah, after we're finished slime. Okay, we're not gonna add too much because I'm trying to test it out. I might be making some of a fluffy slime or anything like that. Okay, so we just added a little. Well, there's actually a lot. You can see. Okay. So now we have this and we're gonna have to mix it. Okay, so we're gonna see. Ooh, this is pretty cool. I'm not sure whether this is gonna really make slime because there's glue. Some glue cannot make slime, so this is disappointing thing. But I've tried some glue and they don't really work. Yeah. And I hope this works because I didn't try this before. I'm trying this to see whether you should buy this or you can buy this. Or maybe it's worth it because it's glow in the dark. Okay, then you actually have to get this activator. Magical liquid. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. If you don't have this, right, you can actually put baking soda and contact solutions. Yeah, if you have those, but I don't have, so I will use magical liquid, so-called thing. Okay, so now we just have to do this and pour this magical liquid in. Okay, pour a bit at once. Okay, I think it's forming because you can see with your own eyes. Just gonna mix it more. Wow, I really think this is working. Okay, nice. Okay, we can actually dig in now, but it's a little sticky for me. Okay, this is what I got after like mixing and stirring and you know what sort of thing, adding some activators. And I got this, but obviously I might have to add more because you can see it's sticky. Pretty sticky, huh? Yeah, and not kind of very sticky, but Like, I mean, like, not type of the usual sticky, but like super sticky. Okay. We're gonna put this on here. So I'm gonna add more activator and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so here's what I got after like the process I made, like adding activators and all those things, and I'm pretty happy. But it's still not the thing that we're supposed to do. We're supposed to test when it's really, glow in the dark. So we're gonna see what it's really. Obviously, we're gonna try a lot of things. And we're gonna tell you about whether it's very good. Okay, I think it's stretchy. Obviously, it's kind of like a clear slime. So, I'm not a fan of clear slime sort of thing. Yeah. So make like probably another video on making fluffy slime with this glue if it's really glow in the dark. Yeah, I wanna see whether it can glow in the dark if I also add shaving creams. But if I add shaving cream now, it's not gonna work, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna test it now, and by like closing all the lights near me, so we're gonna test it out like sort of thing. Well, I can say it's pretty stretchy. Yeah, that's what I can say, and it's not that sticky as I would thought that it will be, because at first the glue is pretty sticky. Yeah, I touched it with my hand, but it's not that sticky, and it's pretty stretchy. I'm glad I didn't actually add too much activators into it, else it would be like a rubbery slime sort of thing. Okay, I'll be closing on the light very soon. Okay, I just turned off the light, and then you can see I have a torch beside me, right here. So this is how you see when the torch is. When I shine the torch, and you can see it's very bluish, like a sea color here. And then when I move this torch, let's see. Okay, look at this. It's glowing. But obviously it's more beautiful when you see it in person. Yeah. You can see it's so beautiful. And I highly recommend you to actually buy this, because you can see it's all, this thing is actually glowing. But I don't really think you can see this glowing. Yeah, but you can see this, because this is how you shine it. When you shine it, it basically looks like bluish color. Now you move this torch, you see it glowing. Yeah. And the bottle, never mind, the bottle is not good. Okay, so this thing is glowing, and I just love it how it is. It basically looks like greenish color, and it glows. Yeah. And obviously this is how it looks when you shine a torch. Just to show you again, it looks basically something like this. A nice color, right? And then when you move this and you put this right there, you can see that this is actually pretty nice, huh? You can see it is actually a bit glowing. Yeah. This is how. And this is how it looks. can definitely see it's glowing. Don't tell me you don't see it glowing. Because then I can make sure it's glowing. You see my hand here? And you see this guy? It's actually glowing. I'm so happy to even have this. And it's just better than it is in like Mayo on also. And it's like there's this part. You can see I just put it like it. This is in the light, and then this is in the dark. As you can see. And just highly recommend you guys to buy that Mr. Y DIY bottle. And even this is glowy. Because actually when I'm on this light, you can see it's glowing in the dark glue right here. And this is how the glue this slime looks like. Then just like that. And then I'll show you the when it is in